like the earlier DJI mic, wireless mics did after 20 minutes with the cameras until the Mic 3 came out. Alright, that's pretty much it. Why did that just all go fucking dark? So I'm recording this on my phone. There you can see it's locked into record, so the red recording tally light is still there. The timer is not going around anymore, just like the good old days. Let's see if by pressing the power button on the side it turns off. It doesn't even turn off pressing in the power button on the side. Okay. So, you know what this means? Battery removal. All the throwbacks back to the good old days.